Welcome back to Trendz TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving deep into a car that's been making waves in the compact crossover segment as the 2026 Honda WR-V. Whether you're considering it as your next daily driver or just curious about what this new model has to offer, you're in the right place. In this review, we'll be covering everything from the exterior design, interior features, and performance to the price and what sets this WR-V apart from the competition. So, let's jump in and get started with the first impressions. Exterior. Let's begin with the exterior of the 2026 Honda WR-V, which has undergone a significant update for this model year. From the moment you lay eyes on the front, you can tell that Honda is aiming to give the WR-V a more aggressive, yet refined look. The front end features a sleek, wide grille, flanked by angular LED headlights that give the car a sharp and modern presence. The grille itself has been revamped with a honeycomb design that adds texture and depth, while the Honda badge sits proudly in the center, surrounded by a chrome strip that adds a touch of sophistication. It's clear that the WR-V is trying to blend utility with a dash of premium appeal. Moving to the side of the vehicle, the 2026 WR-V looks both sporty and functional. The body is characterized by smooth, flowing lines that give it a sense of motion, even when it's parked. The sculpted side panels, especially around the rear fenders, add some muscular curves, giving the WR-V a more athletic stance. The flared wheel arches, paired with 17-inch alloy wheels, create a strong visual presence, complementing the compact crossover design. The overall proportions are well balanced, and the car doesn't feel too boxy or too sloped, striking a harmonious middle ground between compact and sporty. At the back of the WR-V, Honda has continued the theme of sharp, modern design. The rear end is highlighted by angular LED taillights that wrap around the corners, giving the WR-V a distinctive look that stands out in traffic. The rear bumper is sculpted to match the dynamic flow of the body, and there's a subtle roof spoiler that enhances the vehicle's sporty aesthetics. A dual exhaust setup adds a touch of performance to the overall appearance, while the tailgate is designed for easy access to the surprisingly spacious trunk. Overall, the back of the WR-V has a clean, modern look with just enough character to make it memorable. Interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail Honda has put into the interior of the 2026 WR-V. Honda has focused on creating a cabin that's both functional and stylish, with materials that feel premium but don't go overboard. The dashboard is neatly laid out, with the central touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to reach and intuitive to use. The use of soft-touch materials throughout the cabin adds a level of comfort, while the upholstery choices, a mix of fabric and synthetic leather, contribute to a modern, upscale feel. The front seats are comfortable, offering a good amount of support, and there's plenty of adjustability to ensure a perfect driving position. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a compact crossover, offering ample legroom and headroom, which is great for adults or kids on longer trips. The 2026 WR-V's cabin also boasts impressive storage space, with a well-sized glove box, cup holders, and storage pockets in the doors. The rear seats also fold flat to reveal even more cargo space, making it a versatile option for those who need to haul larger items. One of the standout features in the 2026 WR-V is the new infotainment system. It's an upgraded 9-inch touchscreen unit that now comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard, ensuring seamless connectivity with your smartphone. The system is fast, responsive, and easy to navigate, with a clean interface and clear graphics. Plus, Honda has added a new digital gauge cluster, which gives the driver a modern, high-tech feel while also improving visibility of important information. The cabin's lighting has also been upgraded, with ambient lighting now available in select trims, making the interior feel more luxurious. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance, which is where the WR-V has a lot to offer. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda WR-V is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 121 horsepower and 145 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or an automatic CVT, depending on the trim level you choose. This engine delivers solid performance for everyday driving, offering a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the WRV feels nimble and responsive, making it a fun car to drive. Honda has also focused on improving the WRV's handling for 2026. The suspension has been tweaked for a smoother ride, while the steering has a more direct feel, giving the driver better control. Although it's not a sports car by any means, the WRV offers plenty of driving enjoyment, especially considering its size and intended purpose as a compact crossover. The car's ride quality is excellent, absorbing most bumps and imperfections in the road without feeling too stiff or soft. The all-wheel drive option is available on select trims, providing added traction and stability in various weather conditions. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2026 Honda WRV does not disappoint. With the 1.5-liter engine, you can expect an average fuel economy of around 30 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the more fuel-efficient vehicles in its segment. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on a road trip, the WRV offers an affordable and practical driving experience in terms of fuel consumption. As for safety, the 2026 WRV comes with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Honda sensing is now standard on all trims, which includes features like lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide an extra layer of security and peace of mind, making the WRV an excellent choice for families or anyone who values safety. Additionally, the WRV has earned top safety ratings from various agencies, adding to its appeal as a reliable and safe vehicle. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Honda WRV is positioned competitively within the compact crossover market. The base model starts at around $22,000, making it an affordable option for those looking for a well-equipped, stylish crossover. As you move up through the trim levels, the price increases, with the fully loaded versions costing closer to $27,000. At this price point, the WRV offers a lot of value, especially when you consider its standard features, build quality, and the reputation Honda has for reliability. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda WRV is a strong contender in the compact crossover segment. It offers a blend of modern design, a comfortable and tech-filled interior, and solid performance that should appeal to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're looking for a practical daily driver or a weekend adventure vehicle, the WRV ticks all the boxes. It's efficient, safe, and fun to drive, all while maintaining a competitive price point. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Honda WRV here on Trendz TV. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more automotive content, and let us know your thoughts on the WRV in the comments below. Will you be adding this car to your shortlist? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews and keep driving in style.